Hey guys, welcome to Lognips. Today I'll be showing you how to enable the direct messages on TikTok. And now let's dive right in. Now to enable the direct messages on your TikTok, first open up your TikTok app like this. Okay, let's pause the video. Now there are a few things that might cause a problem to on the direct message on the TikTok. One is from your account and another is from their account. I'll explain it what I'm just saying right now. And with that being said, let's get further on the process. You can see the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. When you open TikTok, tap on that profile icon, and after that, after opening your TikTok, at the top right corner of your screen you can see the tree line icon over there. Tap on the tree line icon like this and tap on settings and privacy, and over here you can see the settings and privacy. You can see the privacy option available just below the account. Tap on privacy, and over here scroll down a little bit and you can see the direct messages option available over here. Tap over there, and the fact that I said earlier, it's either your account or their account will be clarified over here. And you can see the direct message on the top of the screen. Tap over there, and here you can see who can send you direct messages. If you tap on everyone, everybody will be able to send you direct messages on TikTok and you will be able to receive it. And if you have tapped on no one, then no one will be able to directly message you on your TikTok account. You can see with these options as well. That means, and the other thing is, if the person you're trying to reach on TikTok to the direct message has turned this direct messaging service of privacy off on the direct messages to no one, then no one will be able to send them messages, or they will not receive messages from anybody. And if the account you're trying to receive or contact has changed your direct message privacy settings to everyone, you will be able to message them. Similar with this account also, if I have tapped everyone, then everybody will be able to directly message me. And this is how you enable your direct message on TikTok. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding a topic, please feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.